Hats off to you. I wanted to come in a bikini, but I
Bye. Stand here.
Thank you guys. It's so hot now. Okay, ready. Ready when you are.
So, Shrishmita ma'am, how often do you get an opportunity to meet underprivileged
सुन तो लूँ आवाज तो सुनियो.
How often do you get an opportunity to meet underprivileged children or women NGO? How often do you visit?
The underprivileged is actually a very charity word. You know what I mean? I think both Rubal and I have the kind of belief that it is not charity. It's your responsibility. It is your birthright to be of help and assistance, not just to yourself and the people that you consider your family, but just the world at large, because nobody lives in isolation. Everybody's life affects another. So I get a huge amount of opportunity to do this. मैं बहुत किस्मत वाली हूँ that I'm surrounded by children, by the primary cause and celebration of educating them, which is something that my foundation does, which is something that Rubal believes in. As we've spoken about this before as well, I love what she says. She says the word learn has earn in it. यानी कि जो चीज़ आप सीखते हैं उससे फिर आप अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो सकते हैं. You don't have to depend on anyone. You can be absolutely free, truly free, financially and otherwise. So for me, it's a huge honor that my darling friend and someone who has a beautiful heart, and I mean seriously, inside and out, this one is the stunner.
I cannot say the same thing about her.
Yeah, let her say
without
that next,
a doubt.
because we want this on record.
Yes, absolutely. I think I've gone on record like trillion times about that.
But she's an artist and she's taken her abilities and her gifts to another level by allowing children. मैंने ये पिछली दफ़ा भी कहा था, I love that कि ऐसे बच्चे जो या तो स्लम से या जिसे आप underprivileged बुलाते हैं,
handicapped,
yes, and special children who are handicapped as well, जिन्हें सारी दुनिया black and white नजर आती थी. She introduced color into their lives in a way where they can come back and draw and express themselves and say, you know, this lack, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. It's all in the imagination. We all create the world that we can imagine. So giving them that imagination is something Rubal Nagi Art Foundation does with merit. So I'm very privileged, my darling friend, for you to have invited me yet again and for honoring me with this opportunity. And I love you guys. कुछ नहीं करने से छोटे-छोटे step लेना बहुत बड़ी बात है, और जो लोग लेते हैं, my deepest regards and respects for them. And that is your turn to now praise me.
Let's do it. Always ready.
Now it's your turn. If I'm wrong, 70% of the Bollywood celebrities get into NGO. Which is for everyone, whether it is underprivileged children, whether it is rescuing girls from Kamatipura or XYZ, whatever it is. So,
you know, the truth is, there are so many causes. If you had a singular cause in this world, it would be very easy to have one NGO. Correct. This time I was wrong. If we had one single cause, एक ऐसा cause जो in itself encompassed everything, तो बहुत आसान होता. It's not about Bollywood and them having 70% of
Yes.
NGOs and associations. It is about people who understand responsibility, what it is to be a good human being. Whether you have this dais, this platform or not, whether it's Bollywood or media. I'm going to bring you into this. Everyone has a responsibility.
Have you ever painted anything?
Yes, मेरी जान,
Of
I
course.
paint. I'm like
Of
a
course.
bathroom singer. I sing in the bathroom.
No, of
मेरे को
course you
गाना आता
paint.
है, मुझे लिखना आता है, जो मैं सिर्फ अपने लिए लिखती हूँ, और फिर मुझे पेंट भी करना आता है.
No, but I have to say this because I have so many students from different parts of our country. Bengalis are born artists.
Yes, they have lovely
They
fingers.
don't. They
really
honestly, they don't have to go to any art college or anything. I mean, they go for further studies. But मेरे घर में एक लड़का काम करता था. I think I'm 20 years old. और वो अपने रूम में बैठ के मूर्तियाँ बनाता रहता था. एक दिन मैंने उसको देखा, आप क्या बना रहा है गोपी? तो he said, मैम मैंने गणपति बनाया. If you actually see that गणपति is in my house now, terracotta गणपति ही में.
Wow.
Which was fantastic. तो मैंने उसको बोला भाई घर का काम बंद करो, कॉलेज जाओ, स्कूल जाओ और पढ़ाई करो. So that's what he did, and he's doing very well in Calcutta today. So you know, you can find this talent from any corner, but you should just
But I
do
have
it.
to say, you must listen to Rubel. Bengalis are born talented.
They
But,
are. They are
But they don't
completely.
always go out and express it.
Express.
And yes, and do it for public consumption. Prime example of that. But बहुत सालों पहले मैंने एक पेंटिंग खान हॉस्पिटल के लिए जिसे ऑप्शन किया गया था for Mr. Imran Khan, and happy. That was the only painting of mine ever seen. और मैंने उसे बुलाया था इबादत. And yeah, it went for a whopper of an amount. तो मुझे लगा वाह, I have arrived. I can paint.
You have even taken a step ahead for Bengali movies and you have entered the territory too. Tell us something about that. What's there in the pipeline?
Abhi, it's time I start figuring out my territories. But yes, it's been wonderful. I did Nirbagh, which is my first Bengali film. It's been a very long break. और हर कोई मुझसे सबसे पहले यही पूछता है, आप फिल्में छोड़ दी आपने, फिल्में नहीं कर रही हैं आजकल आप? I think I just have always been a person that has never been defined by just the things I do.
She's
and
such a
more of who I
fantastic
am.
mom.
So,
I have one son. उसके साथ
And
मुझे
that's
ऐसे
my
लगता है मैं
full-time
क्या
job
क्या
in
करूं.
movies.
और उनके 2 बेटियां हैं और वो इतनी अच्छी माँ है because I have seen them. I've seen her with her daughters, the way she is.
Daughters paint करती है?
मेरी बड़ी बेटी गाना ज़्यादा अच्छा गाती है. अरे फिर प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ, आप लोग इधर आके पूछो.
मेरी बड़ी बेटी गाना अच्छा ज़्यादा गाती है. She's not much of an artist in terms of painting or sculpture or anything. But my younger daughter, Alisa, वो माशाल्लाह बहुत talented है. उनको अगर एक सीनरी भी बनाने को कहा जाए तो उसमें छोटे से छोटे लाइक ग्रास का ब्लेड, फिर बड़े बड़े झाड़, फिर ट्री, हर चीज़ के लेयरिंग होंगे. So she is very talented.
Perfectionist.
Very mad. Yeah, she's a little Buddha as I call her.
Yeah.
दिल्ली में एक छोटी बच्ची के साथ रेप हुआ है 5 साल पहले. आप एक मां हैं. क्या आपकी घटनाओं को किस तरीके से रुक नहीं रही कहीं ना कहीं रोजगार में?
देखिए, ऐसी घटनाएं इसलिए नहीं रुक रही हैं क्योंकि हम नहीं बदल रहे हैं. हम या तो कह देंगे गवर्नमेंट के लॉज अच्छे नहीं हैं, या हमारे जो फास्ट ट्रैक सिस्टम्स हैं वो फास्ट इनफ नहीं हैं, या इट्स अ हॉरिबल थिंग. लेकिन मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि ऐसे हीनियस क्राइम के लिए गोली मार देनी चाहिए विदाउट आस्किंग इट ट्वाइस. सो आई जस्ट थिंक इट इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ये जो गंदी अश्लील हरकतें हो रही हैं लोगों के साथ, बच्चों के साथ, औरतों के साथ, ये इसलिए हो रही हैं क्योंकि लोगों को ये सोच नहीं बदल रही है कि ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब तक कि मेरे साथ नहीं हो और खुदा न खास्ता मेरे साथ नहीं हो, तब तक इट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. सो इट हैज़ टू चेंज.
चेंज करना चाहिए.
इंसान को चेंज होना पड़ेगा. कानून इंसान बनाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Lastly, here to support Adela is going to represent Miss at the. She's going to represent India at Miss Universe. She's going to discover what you have to say about it.
I'm so
But
sorry.
she's out there. She's been
Yes, I'm very excited for her. It's been her dream, which she's, you know, my salam to that kid spirit, because she has gone for it twice, and both times she's won it to go for Miss Universe India. It's time, you know, for me, not just in a beauty pageant. जब भी हमारे देश को मौका मिलता है कि इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे जीतने का, मेरा सर गर्व से और ऊंचा हो जाता है. You know, I just feel that the idea that my flag can be hoisted, that our country is celebrated around the world, is an amazing feeling. All the best, Urvashi. Go get it, man. It's time we win Miss Universe again.
Smita ji, you're here.
Are you done with Sushmita?
I know.
आप प्लीज यहाँ आ जाए.
हाँ
It's
जी,
very
क्या पूछ रहे
hot.
हैं? Very, very. And those
आप
lights.
इजाजत हो तो you please do this. I will just step in. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
हाँ जी.
Smita ji, center देखो. You want to support her. What do you want to say?
I'm here to support cause. I'm here to support Rubel. I'm here to support all those children who are really doing wonderful things. And of course, people like us, as Sushmita said, we all are there for children. We've been doing something very small thing, what we have to do as a running NGOs, as somebody asked just now. NGO is just one reason, I think, which we are using it, but everybody has this kind of intention, and people like us has a platform, has capability, so we run the NGOs. So this is how I think we feel that everybody should, from the society, whoever can do little bit of anything for the society, not only for the children, we are really happy. And I think this will go on. People like Rubel, people like Sushmita, we all are there, and we'll keep on doing our best of the things for the society. Yeah. Thank you.
क्या पूछ रहा है?
रेट पर नहीं पूछना है तुम लोगों को. क्या बस यही करते रहोगे? किधर लड़की के साथ बच्ची के साथ और क्या?
Again?
हाँ,
कब?
आज सारे चैनल पे यही चल रहा है. ये तो खबर बनेगी. हाँ, तुम्हारी ये इवेंट चलेगा ना. क्या करेगी? ऐसे लाइव इंडिया के लिए ऐसे करती रहेगी.
हाँ, नहीं मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था.
I actually have to go back for a meeting. So I shall immediately to my friends, otherwise you will say they can.
Sir, left or right? Sir,